Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Curious how to flip a page in Canva? I'll walk you through it step by step. Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, choose videos from the available options. Make sure to select landscape videos for this project, as that's the format we'll be working with throughout the following steps in this tutorial. Next, select the Elements option from the sidebar. Browse through the available elements and choose the one you want to use by clicking on it. Position the element wherever you'd like on your design. After placing the element, move to the Graphics tab and select a graphic to add. Then, click on the Photos tab, browse through the available images, and select a photo to insert into your project. Click the Elements tab on the left. In the search bar, type "Thank you" to look for suitable images or graphics for your page. Browse through the options and choose any image you like by clicking on it. The selected image will appear on your canvas. Drag and position the image where you want it. Use the resize handles to adjust the size as needed. This finishes adding a visual element to your thank you page. Click the Graphics tab in the menu to open the available options. Once you're there, select Graphics to get started. We'll begin by choosing this specific item to add it to your project and make further edits. Scale the object by dragging its corner handles outward. To make it smaller, click and drag the handles inward until you reach the desired size. Once resized, position the object by clicking and dragging it into place. Finally, insert the new element here by dragging it onto the workspace as shown. Duplicate the selected object by pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Repeat this action to create another duplicate. Now, click and drag one of the duplicates to your desired position on the canvas. Next, select the text element you want to edit, then click and drag it to move it where you want. After placing the text, double-click to activate the text box. Type your desired word or phrase directly into the box. Press Enter to confirm your changes. Continue adjusting the position or content as needed to fit your layout, keeping your elements aligned and organized for your project. Next, add another image by selecting Place, then choose Image as the type again. Click Graphics, and navigate to the photo you want to use. We'll use a different image for this step. Browse your files, select the new image, and click Open to insert it. The selected photo will appear in your project workspace. Make sure to position this image as needed, either by dragging it to the correct spot or adjusting its alignment within the layout. Once it's placed, verify that the size and orientation match your design requirements before moving on to the next step in your project. Drag the second layer so it sits directly below the split layer in your timeline. Next, click on the position control to adjust its placement as needed. After that, select the clearance option to ensure there's proper spacing between the layers. This setup helps organize your layout and prevents elements from overlapping, keeping everything visually clear and easy to manage. Set the object at the center of the screen. Next, add transitions by selecting your desired transition effect and applying it between clips to create a smooth visual change between scenes. First, select Match and Move. Next, set the duration to maximum. Once you've done that, try playing the sequence to see the effect applied throughout the entire clip. You've now created a successful page flip effect. Next, click the Share button to access export options. To improve the quality, adjust the settings as needed to increase the output resolution. Once you're satisfied with the quality, choose the Download option. Select Download as Video to save your project as a video file. Your enhanced page flip video is now ready to use or share elsewhere. Now you know how to flip pages in Canva easy, right? Hit like and subscribe for more quick design tips.